How to change password on Temu mobile application. So let's start. In this video I'm using Android. Open the app. Then go down and click on U icon. And next click settings. Next one is account security. Click on it, tap on it. And then if you don't have password, you need to add one. So click on add. And now we're gonna create password. Click submit. And now if you open again application, go here, settings, account security, and now here's your password. And now you can edit your password, so you can change it. So you put old password, and now you can edit your password. You can put new password here. Click submit. And that's it. This is how can you change password on Temu mobile application in 2023. Guys, thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and see you one click later. Goodbye.